6 Weather is brought to you by Aztec Chevrolet in Beeville. Visit AztecAutoplex.com. Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi, everybody, and welcome back. Here is your Aztec Chevrolet forecast, and take a look at our live sky cam off to the east there on SPID. That is a cumulus cloud, almost a towering cumulus off to the right there, just above the 6th. And that's an indication that our atmosphere is becoming more tropical in nature. And so we're going to start to see these showers pop up, mainly on the coast in the morning, and then the gentle sea breeze pushing them inland during the afternoon. They'll gradually get more in aerial coverage as we get into Labor Day weekend and especially next week, which historically is a very wet week here in South Texas. 88 right now in Port Aransas, still 100 degrees in George West, 91 in Mathis, 87-degree seawater temperature at Packery Channel. The feel-like temperatures are mainly in triple-digit levels. We're at 102. That was at 109 earlier today. Evening forecast, short-term, has temperatures dropping through the 80s this evening. About 83 at midnight, still a southeasterly breeze at about 11 miles an hour. Winds right now, it is definitely blowing out there, and this is one of the reasons why we're not seeing any rainfall, is too much wind, not allowing for vertical development. It shears the clouds right off at 22 miles an hour, but the winds are going to start to relax, and is always the key to the forecast. So we'll start here on the future tracker with the winds, and as you can see, they come down in the morning to single-digit values. So we're going to start to see a change in the winds. It's still going to be breezy tomorrow afternoon, but then by the time we get into Thursday, calm in the morning and very light winds here on Thursday afternoon. So a decrease in winds means an increase in atmospheric instability. And look how calm it'll be here on Friday morning, and that will extend into the weekend and most, if not all, of next week. So our weather pattern shows that we do have a little bit of tropical moisture out here in the Gulf of Mexico. The warm flow is coming in around high pressure. We've got low pressure up here in the Oklahoma Panhandle, making it breezy. That's going to swing off to the northeast. That'll lessen our pressure gradient, and that'll allow some of this tropical moisture to come in from the Gulf of Mexico ever so slowly, because high pressure has backed off to the southeast, but we still have weak high pressure over Texas, so that moisture will be slow to come through. Right now, the lion's share of it in the Gulf is moving up into Louisiana around the main high, which is centered over the southeastern U.S. So that's where the hot temperatures are, all the way up into New England. Behind that frontal system at the surface, it's only in the 60s across the northern plains. Now, we're not going to see any of this anytime soon, but it's definitely a sign that fall is just around the corner. Here's our midweek weather pattern. Stray showers coming in as high pressure has backed away from the coast, and that will continue through the end of the week with stray to isolated showers, rainfall slowly picking up here. Future tracker shows, again, only a lonely shower on the coast and inland tomorrow afternoon. Then as we move into Thursday, more of the same. A couple stray showers in the morning, then it gets a little more isolated Thursday afternoon, and then by the time we get to Friday, the rain starts to pick up a little bit more. So again, a gradual increase, but not a washout, nothing widespread. NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, stray to isolated showers Wednesday through Saturday, and then late Sunday through Tuesday of next week, including Labor Day, scattered thunder showers. So rain on the increase as we go through the next 7 days, and as the rain increases, our high temperatures will decrease. So good news there. Lee and Jennifer.